In this ancient land, how do the most unique primates endure?
Every day is a struggle against unseen threats and unforgiving nature.
Predators lurk, patient and deadly, waiting for their moment.
A mother-to-be, exceptionally vulnerable, must remain vigilant.
One wrong move could mean the end of a lineage. Madagascar, an island separated from the world for millions of years.
This isolation fostered an explosion of life found nowhere else.
Its unique ecosystems are home to bizarre and beautiful creatures.
But none are more iconic than the lemurs.
These ancient primates represent Madagascar's very soul. Each dawn brings a renewed quest for survival.
For the ring-tailed lemur, the day begins with ritual. Grooming is vital for hygiene and social bonding. Then, the sun worship. Basking in the warmth, they recharge. This daily ritual is more than just relaxation.
Afternoons are for foraging, a relentless search for food.
Elara, needing extra sustenance, meticulously selects her meal.
Every calorie counts, especially when carrying new life.
Kito asserts his dominance, reminding rivals of his presence.
But a silent threat observes every move.
The fossa, Madagascar's apex predator, is a master of stealth. It silently stalks its prey, relying on surprise. Elara senses something amiss, a faint disturbance.
A sudden, explosive attack. Erupts as the fossa strikes. Kito, the alpha, guides his vulnerable mate away from danger. Fossa's claws swipe, a near miss. The chase continues, a desperate dash for life. Elara, exhausted and terrified, finds temporary refuge. Her instinct tells her to stay absolutely still. Fossa's senses are sharp, almost too close.
It searches, its predatory focus unwavering.
The danger passes, for now. The fossa moves on. Kito cautiously calls out, regrouping his scattered family. Elara's ordeal is over, but the stress takes its toll.
Reunion. Kito offers comfort, reinforcing their bond. Their survival depends on unity. The troop regroups, shaken but intact.
The near-fatal encounter has hastened the inevitable.
Her time has come. Life is about to begin anew.
The intense process of bringing new life into the world begins for Elara. Each contraction is a testament to the primal power of nature.
She grips the ancient tree, drawing strength from its enduring presence.
Quito, the alpha, remains vigilant, sensing the profound change unfolding. The entire troop senses the gravity of this momentous occasion.
Every ounce of her strength is concentrated on this singular purpose. A silent, ancient dance of life and perseverance.
Then, a glimmer of new life, a promise unveiled.
A tine form, wet and vulnerable, begins its journey into the world.
With a final surge of power, Elara completes the miracle of birth.
The tiny baby lemur, fragile and wet, now breathes the Madagascan air.
Instinct takes over. The mother's first act is one of nurturing. Each lick is a vital connection, a bond forming in these first seconds.
The baby lemur, tiny and vulnerable, makes its first sounds. She guides her tiny offspring to the source of sustenance.
Driven by instinct, the baby lemur seeks comfort and nourishment.
The troop watches, acknowledging the arrival of their newest member.
Even the alpha male shows a rare tenderness for the new life.
A sense of peace settles over the troop, a shared moment of relief. A vital connection, life-giving nourishment, begins immediately.
Gentle, rhythmic suckling, a melody of survival.
Exhausted yet filled with profound tenderness, Elara gazes upon her newborn. Small and vulnerable,
The world into which this baby lemur is born is beautiful, yet unforgiving. While life begins, the ever-present dangers of the wild loom.
Every rustle, every shadow holds a potential threat.
Elara's instinct is to protect, to shield her vulnerable newborn.
For now, the baby lemur rests, unaware of the world's harsh realities. Unseen, a predator lurks, its senses keen for any sign of weakness.
The fossa, Madagascar's apex predator, is always on the hunt.
Quito's heightened senses detect a disturbance, a subtle shift.
The scent of danger, faint but unmistakable, reaches him.
Elara, ever protective, responds to the alpha's warning.
The troop's survival depends on their leader's vigilance.
The fossa reveals itself, its predatory gaze locked on the troop.
Quito barks a clear warning, alerting every member of the troop.
Elara swiftly prepares for escape, her baby lemur's safety paramount.
The fossa begins its slow, deliberate approach, a silent hunter. Quito bravely stands his ground, ready to defend his family.
His gaze is unwavering, a challenge to the encroaching threat. The troop retreats, relying on their agility in the treetops.
The lemur troop ascends deeper into the ancient, sun-dappled canopy of Madagascar's forests.
Quito's experience guides them, each movement precise and confident.
Elara, with her precious cargo, navigates with remarkable caution.
The young baby lemur experiences its world from a unique, moving vantage point.
Other troop members demonstrate their incredible agility and strength.
Every lemur in the troop plays a vital role in their collective survival. Quito, the vigilant leader, constantly assesses their path and potential dangers.
The canopy opens up, revealing a world of new resources and challenges.
A flicker of movement, a burst of color, Quito's keen senses detect a prize.
A low call, a silent signal, directs his troop towards a newfound bounty.
The troop understands Quito's cues, following his leadership instinctively. Even the youngest baby lemur learns from the troop's collective wisdom.
Their destination, a ripe fig tree, a crucial source of energy. Nature's bounty awaits, offering sustenance in the heart of the jungle. Quito secures the first fruit, a reward for their arduous climb.
The sweet taste of the fig provides essential nutrients for the leader.
The troop quickly disperses, each member eager to partake in the feast.
Elara seeks a safe, accessible spot for herself and her clinging baby lemur.
With gentle precision, Elara secures a fig, prioritizing her baby's safety.
The baby lemur observes, learning foraging behaviors from its attentive mother.
Instinctively, the baby lemur shows an early interest in solid food.
Elara introduces her offspring to the world of flavors, a crucial first step.
A new taste, a new experience for the vulnerable, developing baby lemur.
The simple sweetness of the fig brings a moment of pure, innocent joy.
Foraging brings a temporary calm, a collective moment of sustenance and peace. Even during relaxation, Quito's instincts for vigilance remain paramount. The forest holds many secrets and even more dangers. A constant vigilance is paramount. Quito's senses are finely tuned, an ancient alarm system honed by generations of survival. A familiar shadow emerges, Madagascar's apex predator, the elusive and deadly fossa.
A piercing cry shatters the calm, Quito's urgent warning echoing through the trees.
Fossa, momentarily surprised, pinpoints its prey. The hunt has begun.
For the troop, especially the vulnerable, Quito's call means immediate, desperate action.
Fossa's gaze is unwavering, its hunger a potent force in the ancient forest. Quito, the alpha, takes command, guiding his family instinctively to safety. Every lemur moves with a desperate urgency, propelled by the primal instinct to survive.
Their grip is extraordinary, a vital adaptation for life high above the forest floor.
The fossa closes in, its athletic prowess making it a formidable hunter. Its claws provide perfect traction, allowing it to climb with alarming speed. Quito takes a calculated risk, ensuring no one is left behind, his vigilance unwavering. He demonstrates remarkable skill, a leader showing the path to safety through the perilous canopy. A narrow escape. The fossa's speed is matched only by the lemur's agility. The hunter misses its mark, a small victory for the agile lemurs.
Frustration mounts for the fossa as its prey moves out of reach. High in the canopy's fortress, the troop finds temporary refuge, a dense tangle of protection.
Quito surveys his troop, a silent leader, ensuring every family member is accounted for. Elara seeks comfort, her precious cargo safely nestled within the protective branches.
Defeated, the fossa finally recognizes the impenetrable barrier of the high canopy.
The fossa retreats, a temporary reprieve for the vigilant lemurs. The forest breathes again, but the threat of the fossa is a constant, ever-present reality.
Even in victory, Quito knows the danger always lurks, demanding perpetual watchfulness. A brief moment of calm, but the lessons of survival are etched deeply within.
The troop slowly returns to their routines, finding solace in familiar actions. Elara finds comfort, her instincts focused on conserving energy for the coming birth.
High above, the lemur family rests, a fragile peace earned through courage and unity.
As the sun dips below the canopy, the ancient forests of Madagascar begin their nightly transformation.